Let's take a look at the cut page. The cut page is a simplified version of the edit page. As you can see, there are small icons everywhere for the most used functions. To begin looking at the cut page, you can view the media in different views. You can view the clips in a continuous view as rows and the default view. Let's create a new timeline. You can see that there is only one window as compared to the edit page. We have a source window and the program window, but in the cut page there is only one window which acts as both program and source window. So when you double click, you can choose in and out point. To insert a clip, you have these buttons here. So you have the smart insert, and it will insert to wherever your timeline is. To append a clip, you can select a portion of a clip and hit the append button, and the clip is appended to the end of this clip. Now you can see that there are two timelines present. So there is a top timeline which acts as a map. So you don't need to zoom in and out when using the cut page. For example, if you have a 30-minute timeline, you can go to the 30th minute easily without zooming in. If I move this clip to the end, to go to this clip, you can easily click here and go to the clip. If you want to go to the beginning, you can click here. So the top timeline acts as a map. And there are two options for the playhead. Actually now it's locked. You can unlock the playhead and move it freely. Usually we leave it in the lock mode. You can cut a clip by hitting the cut button here, scissor button. You can also select the scissor by right clicking here and selecting the scissor. So you can move it, right click and hit the scissor to cut the clip. In order to insert a new video, you can use a ripple override. If I select a new portion of a clip, if I need to insert it between this, let me color the clip as violet. So if I need to insert this clip, I will hit the ripple override and it gets inserted in between the two clips. Also there is an option here called source tape. What this will do is all the media or all the videos which you have, it will be showed as a single clip. End of the first clip, you will see this bar. So this is the first clip, this is the end of the first clip, and it will go to the next clip. This is the end of the second clip. So this makes it easy to easily select portions and make a rough cut. To add a transition, you have the transition icons here. There is a dissolve, so it adds a dissolve quickly. between the clips. You can see that the inspector button is missing. The inspector button is missing in the cut piece. It is actually here under the tools menu. So if you select a clip, you have all the options to change